Keshavananda Bharati case. A controversy arose after the implementation of Constitution over Parliament's power to limit or restrict the right to property. They wanted to take possession of property for public use. But it was called unconstitutional by court and also implied that right over property cannot be restricted by government. Right to property cannot be violated or restricted as it is a fundamental right. Later, Parliament's attempts to amend fundamental rights in Constitution were also failed because court stated that amendments in fundamental rights cannot be done by Parliament. The fight between legislature and executives emerged out as very intense and popular conflict during 1967 and 1973. In 1973, the court gave decision which became very famous as Keshavananda Bharati case. Court declared that only the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be violated or amended by the Constitution. And it also said that right to property is not the basic structure of Constitution, and therefore, to bring public welfare, right to property can be amended. Second of all, it also declared that only court can define what are the constituents of the basic structure of Constitution. This case highlights how the court used its power to interpret the Constitution. Therefore, right to property was taken away as fundamental right in 1979. This led to alteration in relation between judiciary and legislature.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.